Hello everyone, today I will show you how to show WhatsApp status to only one person. And here's how it is done. First, open WhatsApp and tap on status at the bottom left. For example, if I want to change my status to have a nice day, Joan, I will type that in. Now, to make it visible only to Joan, I'll tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Then go to privacy. Under groups, you'll find the status option. Tap on it, and it is probably set to my contacts, meaning all of your contacts can see it. To change it, select only share with and choose header, then tap done and go back. Now only Joanne can see the status. She might think the status is visible to everyone, but you have actually shared it with just one person. This way, you can send a secret message through your WhatsApp status. And that's everything you need to know about how to show WhatsApp status to only one person. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.